I want to talk about with regards to entitled family members. But I don't want to say much before people take this story and turn it to something else. But if you know you're an entitled person, stop that bullshit. It could be that, oh, I was the one that introduced her to this person. Okay, fine, you introduced her to that person, but she's the one that went to do the hard work to get to where she's going to. You didn't take her there. You might have shown somebody road. You might have prayed for somebody. You might have done whatever bits and pieces you're doing. Nobody's discrediting that fact. But being entitled in its own is a disease. Stop it. My own people around me know not to be entitled. Everything I own, every hard work, everything is by my hard work and by the grace of God. So if you think you're friends with me, your family, you're this and that, and you want to be entitled, or you're for you, zan ga maki maganan banza, like abinda zan ga maka, abinda zan yi, zan ma share ka, I will just remove myself. It's kanchi. Stop that bullshit. Nobody owes you anything. Go and find your own too. Somebody will suffer, work hard, do a lot of things. Somebody will sit down somewhere and be entitled to your money.